My class of mobile computing. Today we will learn about data recovery. Data recovery refers to the salvaging or security of data from failed or compromised hardware system. In data forensics and espionage, the term refers to the techniques for obtaining hard to get data, usually during hardware or system failure or when system data has been erased. What is data recovery? Retrieving deleted, inaccessible data from electronic storage device like hard disk, removable media, optical devices, etc. is called as data recovery. Typical causes of loss include electromechanical failure, natural disaster, computer virus, data corruption, computer crime, human error. In the general data recovery category, a few different types of techniques are applied to specific scenario. Hardware data recovery techniques work on situation where a system failure prevents easy access to have a hard drive. With more sophisticated hardware, this problem is easily solved. Another type of data recovery technique applies to disk level failure, where more elaborate approaches may be required. Other types of data recovery pertain to data that has been deleted and possibly overwritten when data recovery involves specific manipulation of the bits recorded on a drive. Certain key data recovery techniques that apply to disk failures and other scenarios are sometimes called in-place repair and read-only data recovery. In-place data repair approach uses utilities and other resources to try to fix disk errors. A read-only approach creates a copy of a drive where data can be extracted. In another approach, professional may try to physically repair a failed disk with replacement parts. A key to understanding data recovery is to look at the difference between retrieval of deleted and inaccessible data from electronic storage media. Causes of recovery. Cases of recovery. Fire. Fraud after a fire. Found after a fire destroyed a 100-year-old home. All data recovered. Crushed. A bus runs over a laptop. All data is recovered. Soaked. PowerBook trapped underwater for 2 days. All data recovered. What is data loss? Data has accidentally been erased or data control structure has been overwritten. Data is unable to be accessed from a previous functioning computer system or backup. In computing, data recovery is a process of retrieving inaccessible, lost, corrupted, damaged or formatted data from secondary storage, removable media or files when the data stored in them cannot be accessed in a usual way. What causes data loss? Sabotage, destroy or damage, natural disaster, hardware error, virus attack, Human error. Human error, intentional deletion, accidental overwriting of files. Software corruption. What causes data loss? Hardware and system problems. What is the cause? Hardware and system problem. Example, data disk crashes, electrical outrage or power surges, manufacturer defects. Percentage is 45%. Second cause, human errors, accidental deletions, overwriting files, causing trauma to desktop or laptop. Percentage is 33%. Software corruption or application error. Example, application displays an error message when a document is opened. Installing or removing a program corrupt another. Percentage is 12%. Computer viruses. Different computer viruses also cause data loss and its percentage is 6%. Natural disasters. Flood, lightning, earthquake, they also cause data loss and the percentage is 4%. Facts of data recovery. The majority of data loss situations are recoverable. Computer storage system may fail, but the data stored on them is not always completely lost. There are occasions when damage to data is permanent and complete data recovery is not possible. However, some data is usually always recoverable. Data recovery professionals can recover data from crashed hard drives, operating system, storage devices, servers, desktop, laptop using various proprietary data recovery tools and techniques. Data recovery techniques: use of software to recover data, use of machines to recover data. Recovering data from physically damaged hardware can involve multiple techniques. Some damage can be repaired by replacing parts in hard disk. This alone may make the disk usable, but there may still be logical damage. A specialized disk imaging procedure is used to recover every readable bit from the surface. Once the image is acquired and saved on a reliable medium, the image can be safely analyzed for logical damage and will possibly allow much of the original file system to be reconstructed. Usually there are 4 phases when it comes to successful data recovery, though that can vary depending on type of data corruption and recovery required. Phase 1, repair the hard disk drive. The hard drive is repaired in order to get it running in some form or at least in a state suitable for reading the data from it. For example, if heads are bad, they need to be changed. If the PCB is faulty, they need to be fixed or replaced. If the spindle motor is bad, the platters and head should be moved to a new drive. Phase 2, imagine the drive to a new drive or disk image file. When a hard disk drive fails, the importance of getting the data off the drive is top priority. The longer a faulty drive is used, the more likely further data loss is to occur. Phase 3, logical recovery of files, partition, MBR and file system structures. After the drive has been cloned to a new drive, it is suitable to attempt the retrieval of lost data. Phase 4, repair damaged files that were retrieved. Data damage can be caused when, for example, a file is written to a sector on the drive that has been damaged. This is the most common cause in a failing drive, meaning that data needs to be reconstructed to become readable. Software data extraction. Data extraction is the process of moving data off the image drive to another destination. Data extraction software scans sector of the hard disk drive and restructures the file system either in memory or another hard drive. The software can be used to copy the recoverable data to a destination location. Data recovery. The user may send a failed hard disk drive to a private data recovering company that offers secure and confidential data recovery. The data recovery company will carefully perform part replacement of the heads, spindles, motors and base casting, the electronics board, etc. in a clean room environment. Part replacement has historically been successful to data recovery about 40 to 60% of the time. Data recovering technique, scanning probe microscopy, a technique that is used to image and measure surfaces at the atomic level. Scans on atomically sharp probe over a surface which produces at a 3D top, which produces to a 3D topographic image of the surface of the atomic view. Data recovery technique, magnetic force microscopy. MFM is a new technique which images the spatial variation of magnetic forces on a sample surface. MFM is derived from scanning probe microscopy and uses a sharp magnetic tip attached to a flexible cantilever for analysis. An image of the field of the surface is formed by moving the tip across the surface and by measuring the force. Magnetic force microscopy MFM detectable old data will be present beside new data on the track, which is usually ignored. Together with software, MFM can see past various kinds of data loss removal. Each track contains an image of everything ever written to it, but each layer gets progressively smaller the earlier it was written. Scanning tunneling microscopy STM. STM is a more recent variation of MFM which uses a phone tip typically made by plating nickel onto a pre-patterned surface. The probe is scanned across the surface that is to be analyzed. STM measures a watch and critical an electrical current flowing between the tip and the tip of sample. Summary: individuals or companies may experience data loss at any time for many reasons. There are various steps that should be implemented to help prevent data loss. Data loss can be very costly and very upsetting. There are several data recovery techniques that have proven to be successful or partially successful in recovering data. Utilizing qualified professional data recovery specialists will aid in the degree of success of data recovery. Thank you for watching.